Hello everyone and welcome to Maker's Wharf. A lot of people struggle getting Intellisense to work on VS Code when running the Arduino extension. As you see here, I have red squiggly lines under serial. If I were to add and include a statement at the top of the code, I would also have red squiggly lines. Today I'm going to show you what I believe is the right solution. If you find it helpful, please remember to subscribe. Now before we get started, you want to make sure that you've downloaded and installed the Arduino IDE from the Arduino website. I will include a link in the description below just in case you don't know where that is. Also, you want to make sure you have the C++ extension installed. You can go to extensions here and check that you have it. Obviously, you also want to make sure that you've installed the Arduino for Visual Studio Code extension by Microsoft. And finally, you want to make sure that you have the Arduino board selected here at the bottom of the Visual Studio Code interface, and a programmer selected, as well as a serial port selected. And now for the solution itself. First, I want you to click Ctrl-Shift-P and type in whatever is needed in the search bar to get to this first entry you see here, edit configurations in JSON, C++. So click on that, and at this point all I want you to do is note that you have a configuration here named Win32. Don't worry too much about the details for now. Go back to your INO file, and now what I want you to do is temporarily ignore the red squiggly lines you see, and just go ahead and upload. Okay, so now that your upload is finished and you see here a message about Intellisense configuration up to date and so on, go back here and you'll see in the JSON configuration, you'll see that it's added another configuration here named Arduino. All we have to do now to solve the problem is go to the blue taskbar at the bottom of the Visual Studio Code interface. Hover over the Win32, you'll see C++ configuration. We need to change that to the newly added Arduino configuration. If you click the Win32 button, you'll get a pop-up at the top of the Visual Studio Code interface giving you the options that you can change it to. We're going to choose Arduino, of course. And now if we head back to the INO file, you'll see that the red squiggly lines are gone and the problem is solved. If you found that this solution helped you, please remember to subscribe. Thank you.